All right, some news just coming in where dynast politics, in fact, has erupted in poll-bound Tamil Nadu. Addressing a rally in Kudalur, JP Nadda, the BJP president, has said it's time to reject dynastic politics of the DMK and the Congress. All political parties from Jammu and Kashmir to Kerala and Gujarat to the northeastern part of the country have become family parties. Only BJP is the party of development, is what he said.
What does DMK stand for? DMK stands for D for dynasty, M for money, and K for Katta Panchayat. This is DMK. And what is Congress? Congress is a party which has always ignored the local issues and the local sentiments.
All right, interesting statement there from JP Nadda. Pramod is getting us more details on that story. Pramod, the DMK also will be bound to, in fact, turn around and ask these questions of the BJP because they are in alliance with the AIADMK, where the Deputy Chief Minister also is seen to be, promoting his son, who happens to be an MP as well, isn't it?
Absolutely. This is turning into a war of targets currently, especially personal ones. And this is what you saw today. It was BJP's national president, JP Nadda, giving a definition for DMK, D for dynasty, M for money, and K for Katta Panchayat, which means Kangaroo Panchayat. And the same way, like last month when Home Minister Amit Shah was in Tamil Nadu at Virupuram, he also called DMK and Congress alliance as 2G, 3G and 4G, claiming such a way that Congress has 4 generations, DMK has 3 generations, and such way he was trying to provide an explanation. Now for that, DMK earlier reacted as well. It was MK Stalin who targeted the son of O. Pannirselvam, the Deputy Chief Minister, claiming that him being an AIADMK MP is only acting like a BJP MP. And for that, just like you heard earlier, it is the Chief Minister of the state, Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, who is targeting Udayanidhi Stalin. And the entire narrative of AIADMK for the past 3 days is about dynasty politics, targeting Udayanidhi Stalin for now.
All right, Pramod, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Pramod Madhav with that story from Chennai.